Look at this electrical box outside of Dallas. Somebody did a great mural of Prince on all four sides. There he is, Prince, Purple Rain. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. And I'm wearing purple today. And we're ready to travel. In the middle of Fort Worth, Texas is the Water Garden. There are 7 water features here, and one you might recognize from a 1976 movie shot here. There's some information on the water park when it opens. No alcohol permitted, no wading, swimming, and also in Spanish. And then our do not signs. I don't know what that first one means. No climbing, maybe? No wading, no swimming, no rollerblading, no bicycling, and no skateboarding. This one, I'm not sure about. I'm in the large plaza where everybody comes here and gathers for events and sits around here for lunch. Just do a 360. This is how you just make your way throughout the park. To all the water features. And then this right here is called the Mountain. Remember that sign I talked about earlier, which I thought it was like no climbing on stairs or something? There it is. Don't climb on the mountain. Nice view from those condominiums and the Omni Hotel of the Water Gardens. We're going to the quiet pool. Down the stairs. Water just runs down the side. And then as you come around the corner, wow, you're greeted by all these cypress trees. At least I think that's what those are. It is definitely quiet down here. Except the sound of water falling. Quite interesting trunk of the tree there. All right, when in Rome. That feels really good. A rated water pool. Only thing, maintenance is working on it. So I don't know if we'll be here when this thing's going. All right, well, they're done with maintenance, and this gentleman is about to turn this fountain on. So this should be pretty cool to watch. And there we go. That was really cool. Not too many people get to see that. Oh, the spray off that water feels really good. And I noticed when I was walking around, there's plaques along the walls here. And not only these 4 that have passed away back in 2004, and of course there are their ages. There's also a few more along the concrete wall here. Back on March 21st, 1991, Michael 44 and Larry 43 lost their lives. Before we see the main feature of the gardens here, unfortunately on June 16, 2004, 4 visitors, 3 children and 1 adult died when one of the children fell into the central pool and the other 3 rushed in to rescue the child. Those who died are Myron Dukes, Lauren Dukes, Christopher Dukes, and Jontris Deadman. The pool was closed immediately and a new design was constructed in 2005 to 2006 to make it safer. And scenes from the 1976 movie Logan's Run, starring Michael York, were filmed at this Fort Worth Water Garden. No swimming, And you're going to see why. Because in 1976, a movie starring Michael York, the end of the movie was shot right here. Logan's Run. And if you do so inclined, walk down the stairs, which we're going to do. And this is where that final scene was, where they jumped in. Keep working your way around. All right, it's time to head up. Make sure you have some good shoes on. You know, all these pools are connected by troughs, and the main pool is 38 feet below ground level, and 710 feet of hidden troughs feed the 10,500 gallons per minute into the central pool here. We got a field trip all heading down into the falls. That was really cool here, the water gardens in the middle of downtown Fort Worth, Texas. A very cool find and very refreshing. And on that note, traveler out.